Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Market today stabilized back above the SMA up bar volume increase. However, it's still in this sideways consolidation. Let's see how far more extends into the future, couple of weeks, or makes a move before that. A breakout above 518, 519 sticking. Then we're looking at 525 and 533. On the other hand, any break below Friday low, this thing is going to pull back further, retest 501, 50 SMA, and 492. MNMD. I like this pattern, breakout with volume, quiet consolidation, pop the triangle today, swing idea. And I also did some analyst algo on the software I use. And this one is undervalued. Many analysts giving targets into the 30s and 40s. So right now it's just trading at 10. Undervalued, volume increase, breakout. So this I think has a lot of potential. And what I want to see next is a breakthrough 10, and then eventually take out the Thursday, March 7 high, 1110. If it holds above it, then this one has a lot of potential. 1220, 1410, and 1630. Support is today low, and 850 is area. AAP, this one is a swing for us, breakout, initiate the swing, and is now in the first target today. Technicals are bullish. It's entering a gap area. We have to step back right here in the June month of last year. Remove this noise. That's the low we're watching for a potential full fill up. 109. So if it does it, the targets for us 89, 94, and 100. The support 81 and 79. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.